Okay, something. I guess we lost the GoPro. We've been looking for a.
You were complaining about not liking the GoPro, so I guess you got what you wanted. You got rid of it.
I guess I get rid of it. Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel again. It's me and Mr. Ram over here on another adventure, motorcycle adventure.
Morning, folks. It's a chilly one out today.
Oh yeah, it is a chilly one today. Oh yeah. Woo. My hands are freezing in the warm gloves. And of course we start from Timmy's breakfast time. Alright, so typical Canadian Timmy's breakfast. This has been served. And I got a new helmet. Yeah, it finally arrived with a properly attached GoPro. Yeah. Fancy stuff. Okay, we're gonna enjoy our breakfast, okay? Cheers. Saturday, another adventure. We are almost outside of the city. Gonna take some country roads soon. We gotta get out of this crazy traffic over here. Yeah! Stop for a little break. Woohoo! Sport and adventure sport. Yay! too short, but that's okay. Something, I guess we lost the GoPro. We've been looking for it.
You were complaining about not liking the GoPro, so I guess you got what you wanted. You got rid of it.
I guess I get rid of it, yeah.
It fell down in the gravel area. It started bouncing.
Piece of bracket over here.
And it rolled towards this side.
Yeah.
Which
We've
is
been here for an hour searching for it. Can't connect to it. And we try to decide where it went, how far we travel.
So we stopped there after we saw it rolling.
Yeah.
I was behind you.
The bracket was
I
here.
saw the camera roll in the gravel area.
And I'm hot. I'm hot.
We went through all of this. We went
all the way from that driveway. We went through everything from that driveway.
From that post box to this post box.
Okay, let's go a little bit further then. Holy shit. Look at that.
I see something sparkling.
It ate up some grass. See, this is the problem. Look at the bracket.
Yeah.
The whatever magnetic thing that they made for it, it just give. Wow, yay! Fuck yeah, we found it. This little freaking thing in those bushes.
Is it working?
Let's see. It works. Yeah, we found the GoPro.
Oh, well, there you go.
Thanks for coming by, though.
Not a problem. Another set of eyes couldn't hurt, but apparently you guys couldn't listen to me.
It was all science. How it roll, how far we were going, how quick the distance of the stopping was.
See, I wouldn't have been able to help there. I've just been, I'm going to look here.
And it was actually a very, very easy spot to find it.
Yeah.
And we went to all the bushes there.
That's how you get a brighter one.
Yeah.
All right, well,
Awesome.
you guys have a great day then.
Thanks. So yes, we did find the GoPro. Yay! It was giving me trouble. Maybe that's why it ran away. It's okay. Our journey continues. Our adventure continues. In the future, I'm gonna have a microphone built into the helmet, but for now, I gotta do what I gotta do. Scream! Woohoo! Enjoy the ride, guys. for a burrito. Burrito. Gotta give signs to Brum in the back. There we go.